taller height is often associated with confidence, social presence, and better spinal health, contributing to positive physical and social benefits. Hi everyone, welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on our new topic, how to increase height at home. So let's start. Exercise number 1. Lift up on toes, also known as calf raises. This is a simple exercise that strengthens the calf muscles, enhances balance, and promotes ankle stability. This movement involves lifting the heels off the ground to stand on the balls of the feet, which activates the lower leg muscles. How to perform lift up on toes. Stand with feet hip-width apart and hold onto a wall or chair for support if needed. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as possible. Hold for a moment at the top, engaging your calf muscles. Lower your heels back down to the ground with control. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Exercise number 2. Cobra stretches. How to do it. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and lift your chest up by straightening your arms, arching your back as much as possible. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds and repeat 3 to 4 times. Benefits. This stretch strengthens and lengthens the spine, which can help improve posture and flexibility, contributing to a taller appearance. Last one, exercise number 3. Leg stretches, forward bend. How to do it. Stand with feet together. Slowly bend forward to touch your toes, or go as far as you comfortably can, keeping your legs straight. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds and repeat 4 to 5 times. Benefits. This stretch lengthens the hamstrings and spine, encouraging flexibility and good posture that may improve the alignment and contribute to a taller stance. While exercise can support posture and spine health, genetics play a significant role in overall height. Consistent stretching and exercises like these can support a taller appearance and improve alignment. For more amazing topics, please follow Dr. Fit Facts by like, subscribe and share. Thanks you.